Alright, what is your name?
Austin.
And what are you going to be doing today?
I'm going to be burping my ABCs.
Alright, go ahead whenever you're ready.
Shut up! Restart.
Alright. Kylie. What is your name?
Austin and Bruce.
And what are you doing?
I'm going to be burping my ABCs.
Alright, start. Whenever you're ready. What is your name?
Austin Bruce.
What are you going to be doing?
Burping my ABCs.
Start whenever you're ready.
Hi, my name is Austin. I'm going to be burping my ABC. Let's watch it. What is she laughing about? Hey, you wanna stop about? Hi, my name is Austin. I'm gonna be laughing a lot.
Kylie.
What the you look at you.
Is it all out?
Peace. Yeah.
Oh.